In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a group online. By the end, you'll know the exact flow to remove a group permanently. The key idea is simple. Groups online can't be deleted with a single button. Instead, you remove every other member and then leave the group yourself. When the member count reaches 0, the group is erased from Line servers. Start by launching the Line app on your phone. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection and, if possible, update the app beforehand so the menus look as described. If you're prompted to log in, go ahead and sign in using your usual method. Complete any verification the app asks for so you land on your chat screen. Open the specific group chat you want to delete. If you have a lot of conversations, use the search bar at the top to find the group by name. Double-check you've opened the correct group, since what you're about to do is permanent for everyone in it. Inside the group, look to the top right and tap the menu icon, which appears as 3 horizontal lines. In some versions, it may look like a group info button, but it's in that same top right area. From the menu, select Members or Members List. This is where you'll remove everyone except yourself. On iPhone, swipe left on a member's name and tap Delete or Remove. On Android, long press a member's name and choose Remove. Repeat this for each person in the group. There's no bulk removal, so take your time and work through the list. Keep in mind that depending on the group settings, only the creator or an admin can remove members. If you don't see the option to remove someone, you may need to ask an admin to grant you admin rights or to perform the removals for you. It's also considerate to let members know ahead of time if you're retiring the group, since they may receive notifications when they're removed. Once you've removed every other member and you're the only person left, go back to the chat menu and tap Leave. The app will ask you to confirm. Tap Leave again. Because the member count is now 0, the group is permanently deleted from Line servers, and the chat history will no longer be accessible to anyone. If your goal was only to stop participating rather than to delete the group for everyone, you could simply leave earlier without removing others, but that would not delete the group. That's it. You've cleanly and permanently deleted a Line group.